to the MongoDB, and I'm in. What's up YouTube? In today's video, I'll be sharing with you what I've learned about VPC peering and how we can use it to talk to two different instances at two different VPC at two different regions. Let me show you. In this diagram, we'll be talking to a Docker container that is running MongoDB. And as you can see from this diagram, it is running at a different VPC. I call this VPC slave, and we are going to use VPC master to talk to it. And this VPC master is running class B IP address, and all this is possible because we use a connection called VPC peering. I've created an instance called master with a class B IP address. Let's go to the slave instance and check out the MongoDB and see whether it is running. MongoDB is running. The default port for MongoDB is 27017. Let's get out of here. Let's go to the instance master. Let's see whether we can talk to the slave instance. We can't. Let me show you how to connect using VPC peering. Let's create peering connection. Let's call this workshop test VPC peering. Let's select master. Let's select the slave. Let's create the peering connection. Usually we will assume that this is done, but the connection is not enabled yet. We are missing one more thing that is called the routing table. We have to insert the IP address for each of their routing table. Let's select the route table for the master. Let's make changes. 10.2.0.0/16. Let's select peering connection, and let's do the same for the slave. 172.16.0.0/16. Haha, I got this wrong. Okay. Wait, something is wrong. Internet gateway. I know what's wrong because I've set it up, but I never accept the connection. So we have to go back to the peering connection, pending acceptance. Let's click on action. Let's click accept request. Right now the status is active. Let's look at the route table and see whether we still experience the black hole. The status are all active. Let's look at the master. Okay, good. So right now we have set up the VPC peering connection. Let's see whether we can talk to them. The traffic has been routed between two instances that we set up. Let's see whether we can run the mongosh command and talk to the database MongoDB in the instance slave. And we're in. AWS VPC Peering connection is a networking connection that allows you to connect two instances that is set up on two different VPC. It is also even possible if, let's say, the instances are